Today I would like to teach you how to crochet the herringbone double crochet. As you can see, it has a texture like that looks like a herringbone. This is made in rows, although you can make it in rounds. In rounds, you will have this stitch right here all in an angle. If you go in rows, you're going to have that every other row, and it does look more like a herringbone. Now you can see that you have a chain over a chain that creates the herringbone stitch. I'll show you in a second how to do exactly that. I want to show you more of a close-up on how it looks like in the end with different colors. So that is the herringbone double crochet, and I'm going to show you now how to do just that. Hi, my name is Nikki and I'm the creator of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. Okay, so in order to do the herringbone double crochet, you're going to start with a chain of your desire. Then you're going to do either a chain of 3 or chain of 2, depending on whether you're going to count your stitch, or you're going to do the alternative turning chain. Yarn over, insert your hook, and now yarn over. And now you're going to pull that yarn all the way through that first loop from the tip counting, right? So let's do that. Like this, pull it through and pull it through again. That creates a slip stitch down here. Now we're going to finish up the double crochet part. Yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. And there you go. So you're actually creating chains on top of each other in order to create the height of a double crochet. But we're creating it as a herringbone double crochet. So let's do that again. Yarn over, pull through, and pull through again. So that way you have a slip stitch on the bottom here. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both. Let's do that again. That creates that gorgeous texture. So you have these chains on top of each other. They're all tilting because of that slip stitch we did in the beginning of that stitch, and therefore it creates that herringbone texture. So let's finish up the row together. I'm going here very slow. I want you to be able to get the stitch very easily. I want you to be able to use this stitch for so many different projects. It's great for blankets, hats, scarves, for so many different things. So this is how you would typically have it if you have a double crochet, but instead of leaving that loop there, we're going to go around this one like that. That way you create that slip stitch on the bottom, yarn over, and then finish up your stitch. Let's do that one more time very slowly, okay? Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. Now you would have 3 loops, but we are putting that loop all the way through this one. So you can see I'm holding it with my thumb over here to see it and to show you very, very slowly. There you go. Yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. So let me show you how this looks like now. Pretty cool, right? It's a very pretty texture. I love how it goes into one direction only. Now imagine doing this in a row. You would have that texture all going in one direction, right? So now, of course, I'm a righty, so therefore it would turn to the left. If you are a lefty, it would turn to the right. So if you do this in rounds, you have that line pretty much all the way going this direction as a righty or this direction as a lefty. So let me show you how to do this in a row. We're going to turn this around, and you can see that the back looks slightly different. You're now going to do either your chain of 3 or 2, or in my case, I'm doing the alternative turning chain, which is a stacked single crochet. So therefore, it's the height of a double crochet. So now we're going to do, again, the herringbone double crochet. Yarn over, pull through, and through again. So once you get the hang of this, it's actually fairly easy. It kind of reminds me of the extended stitches. If you have never learned the extended stitches, you should check that out. I put a link down below that takes you to the written version of this stitch, and it also has the extended stitches listed. So the extended stitches are very, very similar to the herringbone stitches, but still slightly different. This stitch makes an incredible texture and it looks so, so beautiful in the end. So this is how it looks like when you do it in rows. Very pretty. You can see the herringbone texture, right? You can see it going this way and then going this way when you do it in rows. So you do have that herringbone going over this way, right? So on both sides. Now, again, if you do it in rounds, it is slightly different, but this does look so, so beautiful. So let me show you this version again over here. So just with a different color, so you can see how different they can look like, but they all have the same texture. I'm pulling it here a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. Right? It is so, so beautiful. So again, if you want the written version of the stitch, there's a link down below in the description. Make sure you check that out because I have not only the written version there, but I have other links there too. If you want to learn more about different stitches, there's ebooks. You can sign up for my newsletter and all kinds of other amazing fun things. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the little bell to get a notification the next time I go live or publish a new video. I hope to see you next time. Until then, bye!